Baby, relax, sometimes it happens. I'm a couple minutes out from your last night. Is the key still under the mat? Can you imagine the last time this happened? I'd be lying if I said I didn't love it, 'cause I do. I'm a couple minutes out from relapsing into you. Oh, fuck it, I only love it 'cause it's you.